Let's make popcorn. First I'm going to show you my big pot. It's like a wok, but it's non-stick. I just start heating that. I put about 3 tablespoons of oil in the pot. Not too much. If it's too much, it's not healthy. Then I get my measuring cup. And I usually make 2/3 cup of popcorn. It'll spread out. Okay? It's just in there. And also, I have butter to put on my popcorn. Butter. I like unsalted butter. That's usually all we get here. So oh, that's too much. Just take some. Put it in here. This is a bowl. Get another bowl on top. Didn't splash. And then microwave that. Seconds, and then it's ready. Just about done. Raise the top, turn off the heat, and add a bit of salt. Okay. Okay, that's there's your popcorn. Bit of salt. I've got salt-free butter. Put that on top. And mix it. It really is good. Scrummy yummy. Yum. And if you drop any on the floor, don't throw it out. Birds like it too.